Here are 3 natural methods for whitening your teeth.
It's probably best to pick a few of treatments and alternate them throughout the week. Some of the solutions below aren't backed up by study, but they've been demonstrated to work based on anecdotal evidence.
1. Making dietary changes. Foods that discolor the teeth can be avoided by avoiding them. Tannin-containing foods and beverages, such as wine and tea, can discolor teeth. They can also be stained by coffee, dark drinks, and juices.
Acidic meals can discolor teeth by wearing away at the enamel. Excessive consumption of citrus, coffee, and soda should be avoided by people who are concerned about the color of their teeth. They should, on the other hand, always brush their teeth after eating them. Wait 30 minutes after eating before brushing your teeth, according to dentists. Brushing too quickly can damage the enamel because acids weaken it.
2. Brushing with baking soda.
Baking soda can be used to polish away spots on the teeth surface. Some people worry that baking soda is too harsh and may wear down enamel, but a 2017 study concluded that it is a safe approach to remove stains.
Baking soda may also aid in the fight against germs, suggesting that it could assist to reduce plaque and prevent tooth decay. 3. Take a diet rich in fruits and vegetables.
While chewing, crunchy fruits and vegetables are believed to remove plaque from your teeth. Of course, they aren't a substitute for brushing your teeth. But any cure is a good one if it produces the desired outcomes. Fruits and vegetables are also recognized to be beneficial to your overall health, so it's a win-win situation for you.
Pineapple and strawberry are 2 fruits that have been claimed to whiten teeth. Bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple, is good in removing stains and can help with overall tooth whitening. Strawberries, on the other hand, contain malic acid, which has been shown to whiten teeth and eliminate discoloration. There are many at-home options you can try to whiten your teeth. However, be cautious because you can damage your enamel or gums, which can lead to sensitivity and cavities. The best way to whiten your teeth is to prevent stains before they happen, continue to practice good oral hygiene, and have regular dental checkups.
If you've tried these methods without success, your dentist may be able to help you determine if another treatment method may be a better option.